Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time we have a special accessory for Dacia Duster. You can order it from the website below, dacianmag.com. So this is a Thunder roof rack, specially designed for the Duster and for the Bigster. So it's compatible with both models. And today I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to show how easy it is to install it. I will do all the installation by myself. So the roof rack is from Thunder. It's a company from Turkey. I already have a set of roof bars made by Thunder. It's very nice, durable, and very practical, especially if you are going off-roading and overlanding and you need some extra space for your gear. So let's go on and unbox it, mount it, and then show how everything looks like after the installation is complete. One of the best things, in my opinion, about this roof rack is that you don't need a shop to install it. You can do it on your own because it's very simple. So this is the roof rack itself. Let's just take it off of this bubble wrap. This is the front part. Yeah, this part comes on the front. It's very nice that we have some holes right here, so we can fix an LED bar if we want. And also we have some holes right here, also for fixing various accessories. Some holes over here, and I'm curious to see how it can be fitted. This side right here, 4 different holes are for making it possible to be fixed on both models, Duster and Bigster. And right here we have the support screws. We have 4 metal plates and the necessary screws. It's made out of a 2mm thick steel frame, very strong and very nice. So let's take it all the way up and see how it fits. Another important thing, I cut these rubber sheets so I can use those and use one of these right here, because here we will have these bands. So these bands should not touch the bars, so the paint will not be scratched and they won't rust in time. Let's see if I can take it up by myself. Yeah, it's not that hard. The interesting part is that it will cover the plastic areas. Let me just show you. Yes, it will cover these areas. So this side right here will not touch the rubber area. And I have to move it a little bit backwards. Let's see. Or I can leave it like this. I just need access, so I just need to have one hole here and one here, something like that, or even one here and one here. It's okay. Here it's also okay. Unfortunately, I don't have one over here, so I'm going to use the ones that are in this direction. This means that I have to move it a little bit to the front. I think this is its final position. Yeah, this is its final position. And I'm going to use these 2 holes. This one right here let's see, with a bolt. Yeah, very nice, very nice, good. Let's start the overall fixing of these plates. You have to keep in mind that the bolts should not touch this layer of the bars, again to prevent the paint, to prevent the scratching of the paint and the rust. Being painted black, this roof rack will warm up very fast, so you should not try to install it on a sunny day, but I think I'm going to install it the other way around. Let's do it, even though it will be harder to fix the screws. Yeah, I just got this idea that we should do it like this. So we should do it like this, meaning that the bolts should face with the thicker part up, much better. So this is the best way to do it. I will have to be careful to keep this side fixed and work on that side when screwing and fixing everything. And also you will have to be careful to keep this plate at an even level. Let me show you that we have some space between all the screws. This is the most important thing, because we need to prevent the paint from the roof bars in order to have them in a good condition for a while. So if you are planning to take off this roof rack and not use another roof box or something like that, I believe it's easier to just take down the roof bars with the roof rack itself. So it's easier when you are going to install it again. You just use the roof bars, you put them in the position, because they are already fixed in the position you need on the bars of the car, so everything will be faster. Let's finish up the process and show you how everything looks like, of course, after I wash the car. I think I can improve once more the installation of the roof rack. I will insert some rubber sheets over here, so the metal won't be in direct contact with the plastic, because I don't want the plastic to have problems in time. This is what I've been telling you about. We have a rubber sheet right here. Much better in my opinion, don't you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will do the same for the rest of the 3 spots, and the installation will be complete. So the installation of the Thunder roof rack is complete. Everything fitted very nice. I've used these rubber strips right here, another rubber strip right here for all the 4 fixing points. The overall installation is very simple. I managed to install it on my own without any help. This roof rack is compatible with these Thunder roof bars, and can also be fitted on the new Dacia Bigster. We have some lines here, 1, 2, 3, and 1 more over there, which means that the back roof bar can be moved even more in the back, and the front one can also be moved more in the front if the bars from the car are longer, which is the case for the Bigster. So everything looks very nice, clean. I really like the fact that this roof rack is very easy to clean. You can clean it without any problems when you wash the car. And another cool feature is that right here we also have some fixing points for other accessories, off-road accessories, like a shovel or anything like that. Yeah, we have one hole here, one on the side. Here we also have some holes to fit an LED bar or other stuff like that. And the roof rack is sturdy, it's very nice, not that heavy, and the build quality is great. So if you want to order it, you have the links in the video description. I will keep it on the car until I'm going to sell it, and I guess I'm going to keep it on my other Duster, which will be the 4x4 automatic version that I'm going to buy in the beginning of 2026. So thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me, thank you Thunder and dacianmag.com for sponsoring this video, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.